who have served with the Royal Canadian Air Force. Slow speed so you can get a good look at it. This aircraft was built in Montreal in 1953. It's a 65-year-old aircraft that looks absolutely brand new. At the controls this evening is former Lieutenant Colonel Ray. The account that was applied to the underside of the aircraft by Can Air shows the Canada 133 logo, which commemorates the year in which the restoration was pretty well completed. This aircraft took its first flight after restoration on the 26th of August and is now fully flight functional and presented to you this evening. The other thing that's a significant anniversary as it flies in front of us there is to tell you that everything just before Ray Simpson cleans up and climbs away again. Once again, from left to right, the Red Knight from the Jet Aircraft Museum. It had been painted with a bright red scheme for enhanced visibility, and the nickname from right to left, topside pass, the Jet Aircraft Museum, Red Knight. This help keep this beautiful aircraft airborne. Give them a wave of appreciation for a job well done. On behalf of our air boss, Lyle Holbrook, Josh Pegg, our deputy air boss, our sound technician, of course, the award-winning Dan McLaren of Mach 1 Productions. Thank you all for coming out tonight and enjoying our so-called hour of power, which extends till sunset. As you can see, have a safe journey home. One last important announcement to make. With an ice cold beer, please report to the announcer stand immediately. Ice cold beer, please report to the announcer stand immediately. Have a safe journey home, ladies and gentlemen.